Is this the fastest Honda Dio Af 34? Well, in today's video, we'll find out what this beast will do. But first, we'll change the spark plug, as the old spark plug has seen better days. Let's take the spark plug out. Alright, first, let's take off the coil, and now undo the spark plug with a 21mm socket. We'll change the spark plug with this new NGK spark plug. Oh, I forgot. Let me show you the old spark plug, and let me tell you it's not good. So out with the old and in with the new. We'll tighten up the spark plug so that it's nice and snug. Alright, so now we'll start up the scooty to see if it turns on or not. It started right up. We'll leave the scooty to warm up a bit. Let's hear what this thing has got. Let's first clean up the scooty, and then we'll take the scooty on a drive.
Sunday, a hot day at 88. To quote Shakespeare, get thee to the beach.
Guys, check out this abandoned place I came across. I have one thing to tell you guys. Don't mind the run I took on the scooty, as I don't have a GoPro. Also, by the way, I recorded this video by hand, while I was driving the scooty. So please show some support to the channel to see more amazing content.